soon as someone walks up to your containers, appropriately marked signage eliminates the guesswork and ensures people have clearly understand what to recycle, what to compost, and what to send to landfill. Waste segregation is important not only to reduce the impact it has on the environment, but also health issues can be arise from waste and toxins that have been improperly disposed of. Waste segregation is also an economically beneficial prospect because it makes recycling much easier. The roots of trees holds the soil in place as it fights erosion that causes landslide. It also absorbs and stores rainwater that helps reduce runoff and sediment deposit after the storms. It also helps recharge ground water supply, prevent transport of chemicals into streams, as well as prevent flooding. Thousands of marine animals worldwide have been affected by plastic pollution, including sea turtles, seabirds, and marine mammals. Therefore, beach cleanups are vital to mitigate the problem caused by ocean debris and the danger that plastic pollution poses to marine life.